Today we'll be exploring the fascinating architecture, engineering, and urban design of the Indus Valley Civilization. This ancient society was remarkable for its advanced planning and construction techniques, which set the foundation for urban development in the ancient world. We'll decode the key aspects that made their cities so innovative and functional, shedding light on how their knowledge and skills continue to inspire us today. Unlike many other ancient civilizations, the Indus Valley Civilization did not construct massive temples or grand palaces. Instead, their settlements were more focused on practical urban planning and functionality. The terrain they inhabited consisted mainly of fertile plains along the Indus River, which supported agriculture and trade, but did not encourage the building of monumental religious or royal structures. This choice reflects their unique cultural priorities and social organization, emphasizing everyday life and community infrastructure over grand architectural displays. The urban grid is carefully aligned with the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. This alignment plays a crucial role in organizing the city's layout, making navigation more intuitive and maximizing exposure to natural light throughout the day. By orienting streets and buildings this way, the city is able to create a more efficient and harmonious environment for residents and visitors alike. This simple but deliberate design choice impacts everything from traffic flow to energy use, making it a fundamental concept in urban planning. Let's take a closer look at the proportions of bricks and how brick masonry has evolved over time. Understanding the size and ratio of bricks is crucial because it affects both the strength and aesthetic of the structure. Traditionally, bricks were crafted in specific proportions to ensure optimal stability and ease of construction. Over time, techniques in brick masonry have developed, introducing new patterns and bonding methods that enhance durability and design flexibility. These changes show how brickwork has adapted to meet the needs of different architectural styles and structural demands, making it both a practical and creative building material. In the Indus Valley Civilization, urban planning was highly sophisticated and clearly divided into distinct zones. The most important feature was the citadel, which was a raised area that housed important buildings, possibly including administrative centers and granaries. Below the citadel was the lower town, where the majority of the population lived. This area was organized in a hierarchical manner, with different sections likely designated for residential, commercial, and craft activities. The clear zoning reflects an advanced understanding of city planning and social organization, emphasizing control and order within the civilization's urban centers. Understanding this hierarchy helps us appreciate how the Indus people managed their cities efficiently and effectively. Here we have the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro, one of the most remarkable archaeological discoveries from the ancient Indus Valley Civilization. This large, well-built pool is thought to have been used for ritual bathing, which highlights the importance of cleanliness and possibly spiritual practices in their society. Its sophisticated drainage system and waterproof brickwork show advanced engineering skills for that time. The Great Bath not only reflects the community's architectural expertise, but also gives us insight into their cultural and religious values. Understanding this structure helps us appreciate how developed and organized this ancient civilization truly was. The granaries of the Indus Valley Civilization were crucial for storing surplus grains, which supported large populations and stable cities. These granaries were usually large, well-constructed buildings often located near the citadel, indicating their importance in city planning. They featured thick walls and raised platforms to protect the stored grain from moisture and pests. This system of storage helped ensure food security and allowed the civilization to thrive even during times of scarcity. Understanding these granaries gives us valuable insight into the advanced agricultural and administrative practices of the Indus Valley people. Lothal was one of the most important cities of the Indus Valley Civilization, and its dockyard is a remarkable example of ancient maritime engineering. This dockyard is considered one of the world's earliest, designed to connect the city directly to the Arabian Sea. It was constructed with precise brickwork and careful planning to allow ships to dock safely and facilitate trade. This highlights the advanced urban planning and trading capabilities of the Indus Valley Civilization, showing how they engaged in extensive maritime commerce. The Lothal dockyard not only reflects their engineering skills, but also their understanding of water currents and tides, making it a significant achievement in ancient history. At ancient Dolavira, rainwater harvesting was incredibly advanced. They built large reservoirs to capture and store rainwater, ensuring a reliable supply even during dry spells. These reservoirs were connected by an intricate network of channels and drains, efficiently directing water and preventing floods. They also used rooftop catchments, channeling rainwater from roofs into underground tanks for storage. These clever techniques not only conserved water, but also supported farming and daily needs. Dolavira's methods reveal how sophisticated and sustainable their water management was for their time. The Indus Valley Civilization was remarkable for its advanced underground drainage systems. These systems were designed to efficiently remove wastewater from homes and public areas, promoting hygiene and reducing the spread of diseases. Most houses were connected to covered drains that ran beneath the streets, ensuring wastewater was safely carried away. These drains were constructed with bricks and included manholes for regular cleaning and maintenance. This sophisticated drainage network highlights how the civilization prioritized urban planning and public health thousands of years ago. It's truly impressive how such an ancient society developed infrastructure that still influences modern sanitation designs. The Indus Valley Civilization had an advanced sanitation plumbing system for its time. They built covered drainage channels along the streets to carry away wastewater, helping to keep their cities clean. Most homes were connected to these drains, and many houses even had private bathrooms with sophisticated drainage arrangements. This early plumbing system highlights how the Indus Valley people prioritized hygiene and urban planning, setting a remarkable example for ancient engineering. A Harappan house was thoughtfully designed to meet the needs of daily life with a focus on practicality and comfort. These houses were typically made from baked bricks, which provided durability and protection. Inside, the layout featured multiple rooms, including living spaces, storage areas, and often a central courtyard that allowed for ventilation and light. Many houses also had sophisticated drainage systems to manage wastewater, reflecting the advanced urban planning of the time. Overall, the design of Harappan homes shows how the civilization valued hygiene, organization, and efficient use of space. Rakhigarhi is one of the largest and most significant sites of the Indus Valley Civilization, located in present-day Haryana, India. It was a major urban center, showcasing advanced town planning with well-organized streets and sophisticated drainage systems. Excavations have revealed a wealth of artifacts, including pottery, tools, and evidence of early trade and craft specialization. What makes Rakhigarhi particularly important is its role in helping us understand the social, economic, and cultural aspects of the civilization, offering valuable insights into one of the world's earliest urban societies. The governance systems of the Indus Valley Civilization were remarkably sophisticated. A key aspect of their control was the standardization of seals, which likely served administrative and trade purposes, ensuring authenticity and consistency. They also used uniform building materials, demonstrating a regulated approach to construction and urban planning. Together, these elements highlight the existence of a strong, centralized authority that maintained order and coordinated activities across the cities. This standardization not only facilitated effective governance, but also reinforced the civilization's stability and cohesion. As we conclude, it's important to recognize the lasting impact of the Indus Valley Civilization. This ancient society not only set foundations for urban planning and social organization, but also contributed significant advancements in technology, trade, and culture that influenced generations to come. Its legacy is evident in the continued interest and study of its artifacts and urban remains, reminding us of humanity's rich and interconnected history. Understanding this civilization helps us appreciate the complexity and achievements of early societies, shaping our perspective on cultural development even today.